So what we're doing here is replacing the speed control switch or the cruise control switch on a 2010 Dodge Ram 1500. I've disconnected the battery. You wait 15 minutes and that should discharge the capacitor for the airbag, so you can safely remove the airbag. Behind your steering wheel you have two screws, one there. I don't know if you can see that. You got one there, and you got one on the other side. To initially start taking off the airbag, you got two of those screws behind there, and then you got three clips on the left, right, and bottom of the steering wheel column, or itself. That by taking a screwdriver and sticking it right back up in there. Find the clip and remove for the airbag. Now you need a mirror or something to do that with. I can't see it. One, turn it a little bit. You got one, see there on the bottom? See right there, you got one on the bottom. Turn that. Feel around in there. Lift up on that. You get that one out. You go for the last one. Should be on the other side of the steering column. Is that it? Right there it should be. Trouble finding this last one. not sure if that's the right piece. Hold on. Yeah, see, there's the last clip. So we can put something behind the phone to make it stay up right there. Okay. There. And left. There. And there you have it. You have your airbag removed. And I recommend not disconnecting anything back there, but your speed control switch is, or your cruise control switch is right here. Let's see. Yeah, I removed mine already. There's your speed control switch, and it just slips up through that little hole here, and you just slide it through. Let's see, I got mine at the Dodge dealership. They had a Mopar store there. Oh, it's upside down. Yeah. See, that's what the new switch should look like. That's the switch I'm installing. And there's the numbers on it. Can you see that? Yep. So you push that up. Through the factory hole. Okay. How is that held into place? Push it up through the factory hole. Oops. It has one screw that goes right here that holds it into place. Just that one screw. And it's a Phillips. Oh no, I take that back. It's a hex screw. Throw that into place. Okay. And it's pretty much plug and play. You just plug it right back into place. Let's see. Just throw that right back into place. Okay. Plug it right back in. Okay. You see it goes right back into where the factory one went. throw your airbag back into place if I can. Please don't go off. That's how that should look. Put your screws back into place. Put your screws back into place. That other screw go? Well, oh, here we go. Turn your steering wheel back the other way. Throw your screw in there. Should have a replaced cruise control. Reconnect your battery, fire it up, and that'll be the next video. Okay, got the battery reconnected. There's that. Okay, let's fire her up. Comes back on just as normal. Yep. See? There's cruise control on and off. Let's go see if